Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. So one way you can do that is by dividing. So we're going to take 14 divided by 4. So we're going to use the division box that we've practiced. So I'm going to put my 14 in the box and my 4, and then I'm going to write my multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16 should be enough. So which multiple of 4 is equal to or less than 1? And that is going to be 0. So we have 1 left over. We move the 1 to the tens or to the ones place. So which multiple of 4 is equal to or less than 14? It is the 1 to third multiple. So 12. And we have a remainder of 2. So our mixed number is going to be 3 2/4 or 3 1/2. Okay, so that's one way that you can do it using division. Now I'm going to show you the other way you can change improper fraction to a mixed number by subtracting. So we know that it takes 4/4 to make one whole. So if we take 4/4 away, we end up with 10/4. After we've taken the one whole out, we can take 4/4 away again. That's our second whole that we've taken out of our 14/4. So 10/4 minus 4/4 equals 6/4. And it looks like we can take one more group of 4/4 away. So that's our third group of 4/4. And we end up with, I'm going to start it down here, 2/4 remaining. So that means we have our whole numbers 3 and 2/4, or like we said last time, 3 1/2. Hope it helps. Thank you.